Hi, this is Maureen Rennie from A Premier Travel at the JW Marriott in Guanacaste, Costa Rica. This is their one-bedroom suite. This suite has a ocean view room with a balcony, gorgeous views. It has a separate sitting area that is separate from the bedroom, full-size couch, flat screen TV. The room has a separate powder room as well. Beautiful bathroom with a oversized tub, walk-in shower that also has a bench. All rooms come with upgraded bathroom amenities and a hair dryer. You have the double vanity sink in this room. The room has a walk-in closet with complimentary use for bathrobes and slippers, ironing board, and iron. Then we move on to the deluxe ocean view king-size bed. This room has a balcony with nice cushioned chairs with your ocean view. A lounge chair in the room. All rooms come with coffee makers, safes, flat screen TVs, plenty of storage space for your clothes. This also has a walk-in shower, a single vanity sink, as well as the sunken tub, which views for the room. You can get this same type of room, the deluxe ocean view, with 2 double beds to sleep 4 people if you wanted to have 4 in a room.